Good morning and welcome you all, my dear students, in my online lecture. This is the last part of chapter 4, The Rat Trap. I have already sent you 3 parts earlier, and this is the concluding part of the story. So pay attention. The peddler was ready to go with Edla Wilmanson to her residence. Earlier, when Iron Master invited him for his home, then he refused the invitation. And reasons were, first of all, he had stolen Crofter's money, 30 kroners earlier. And second thing, there was fear of being caught. And he thought that going with him, it meant that throwing himself into the lion's den voluntarily. उसको लगा कि अगर आयरन मास्टर के साथ उसके घर में जाता है और उनके इनविटेशन को एक्सेप्ट करता है तो इसका मतलब अपने को जानबूझकर मुसीबत में डालना. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन हिज डॉटर केम, हिज डॉटर वाज एडला विल्मनसन and she talked in a friendly manner, showed compassion. So now he could take confidence on her. So he accepted her invitation. Now you have to see. Now he reached to the peddler. The peddler reached to the Iron Master's residence. Iron Master was happy to have his old regimental comrade under his roof. He planned to feed him well, give him some respectable work, and servant cut the peddler's hair, bathed him. Peddler appeared bearing one of Iron Master's fine suits. When the Iron Master looked at him in broad daylight, he was totally different person. He was not the person whom he thought. Iron Master had committed a mistake. Now he realized that he had committed a mistake. Peddler was not Nils Olof. He was not the captain. He thought the men had deceived him. He even thought of handing him over to the sheriff. उसको लगा कि इस व्यक्ति ने मुझे धोखा दिया है और उसने जो है उसको शेरिफ को हैंड ओवर करने का सोचा. शेरिफ मीन्स पुलिस. Peddler said that he had not pretended to be what he was not. अब peddler ने कहा कि उसने किसी को धोखा नहीं दिया. He had not deceived anyone. He had not cheated anyone. He had not been willing to go to the Iron Master's house. उसने कहा मैं तो आपके यहाँ आना ही नहीं चाहता था. Even then he was willing to put on his rags and leave. Now he was ready to go and he was ready to wear his old rags. He also told the Iron Master what was a big rat trap. He too might be tempted by a big bait and caught in the trap. आयरन मास्टर टोल्ड हिम टू लीव एट वंस. जब आयरन मास्टर को लगा कि इस व्यक्ति ये वो व्यक्ति नहीं है जो वो समझ रहा है. ही वॉज थिंकिंग हिम बिकॉज ही मिसटुक हिम एज हिज ओल्ड रेजिमेंटल कॉमरेड. व्हेन ही हैड रियलाइज्ड हिज मिस्टेक देन ही थ्रेटेंड हिम just to call sheriff and he ordered him to leave the house at once. Now vagabond, he was ready to go and he was ready to bear his old rags. Edla didn't like her father's asking the poor peddler to leave. She thought it was unfair to turn away the men whom they had invited. She wanted to have the joy of entertaining a homeless wanderers on Christmas. She stopped the peddler and her father gave in. Edla requested her father that Christmas comes only once in a year. He was poor tramp, poor vagabond who walks and walks the whole year long There is not a single place where he is welcomed and he can feel at home. Wherever he turns, he had been chased away. जहाँ गया लोगों ने उसको भगा दिया. Always he is afraid of being arrested. हमेशा एक डर बना रहता था कि कहीं पुलिस उसको अरेस्ट ना कर ले. He was the victim of his own circumstances and there was fear of cross-examined. So she requested her father, let him allow only one day, that he should just to enjoy a day of peace with them. Just one day in the whole year. The main purpose of celebrating Christmas is not only distributing sweets and gifts with our friends, family and our acquaintance. The other purpose also to help the needy, poor, deprived and destitute. जो फेस्टिवल से उनको मनाने का जो पर्पस है, हम अपने सुख दुख को बांटते हैं. वी यूज़ टू शेयर आवर फीलिंग्स ऑफ जॉय, हैप्पीनेस. एक दूसरे के साथ खुशियाँ बांटना और जो लोग गरीब हैं, लाचार हैं, वंचित हैं, उन लोगों की मदद करना. स्टूडेंट्स, you must remember a Christmas carol where a group of singers, they used to sing carols and used to go place to place, door to door in order to sing carols. In lieu of that, they asked money and for a noble cause. By collecting money, they used to help the poor, needy and destitute people. तो ये एक नोबल पर्पस भी है. एडला बिलमनसन ने कहा कि वो पूरे साल कहाँ कहाँ भटकता रहेगा. फादर, हम उसको खुद इनवाइट करके लाए हैं. वी हैव इनवाइटेड हिम आवर सेल्व्स. सो दिस इज़ नॉट फेयर. ये अच्छा नहीं है इस तरह से उसको भगाना. दिस इज़ नॉट फेयर. Now Edla stopped the peddler and her father gave in. Edla served food to the peddler. In evening during Christmas party, he was given Christmas present, which he thankfully received. The suit which belonged to Iron Master. Now Edla told him that her father's intention not to return the suit, and he can keep himself as a Christmas present. Edla told him that her father's coat that he was wearing was also a Christmas present. She assured him that he would be welcomed again if he liked to spend the next Christmas Eve with them. Now you have to pay attention on the next page. The peddler looked at the young girl who had interceded for him. वो व्यक्ति उस एडला बिलमनसन को, उस लड़की को देख रहा है जो अपने फादर से उसके लिए जो है बहस कर रही है. Why had she done it? वो सोचता है वो ऐसा क्यों कर रही है. Why she was showing kindness and sympathy towards him. What could the crazy idea be? After that Christmas Eve at Ramso passed. और उसके बाद जो है ये क्रिसमस ईव है. दिस वॉज क्रिसमस टाइम. नाउ द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग Iron Master and his daughter got up early and went to Christmas service. Christmas Eve, one day before Christmas, all people, they were sitting together enjoying themselves and decorated Christmas tree and distributed Christmas gifts. And he said thanks and went away to the dining room, eat the Christmas fish and porridge. As soon as all the people they went. Now the next morning the Iron Master and his daughter got up in good season to go to the early Christmas service. Next morning, father and daughter, they went to Christmas service. They went to church. They drove back at about 10 o'clock. The young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly than usual. At church, she had learned that an old crofter of the iron works had been robbed by a man who was selling rat traps. वहाँ उनको पता चला कि एक व्यक्ति जो जगह जगह जाकर रेड ट्रैप सेल करता है, उसने एक क्रॉफ्टर को, ओल्ड क्रॉफ्टर को लूट लिया है. Yes, that was fine fellow you let in. Father became very angry, and he thought he was wondering how many silver spoons left in the cupboard by this time. अब उनको लगा कि घर पहुंचकर पता नहीं कितना सामान चोरी हो चुका होगा. Now both came. Wagon had hardly stopped at the front steps. Iron master asked the valet whether the stranger is still there. Iron master ने अपने सर्वेंट से पूछा, पैडलर, वो गेस्ट जो स्ट्रेंजर है वो अभी है? वैलेट ने जवाब दिया, नो ही हैड गॉन. देन आयरन मास्टर आस्क्ड इफ ही हैड टेकन एनीथिंग विद हिम. अपने साथ कुछ ले तो नहीं गया? ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, valet replied he had left behind little package for Miss Wilmanson. उसने कहा वो अपने साथ कुछ नहीं लेके गया है, बल्कि एक पैकेट एडला विल्मनसन के लिए छोड़ के गया है एज ए क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट. ऑन ओपनिंग द पैकेज, एडला विल्मनसन गेव ए क्राई ऑफ जॉय. जब एडला ने उस पैकेट को खोला तो वो खुशी से उछल पड़ी. And it was a small red trap, and in it lay 3 wrinkled 10 kroner notes. और ये एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट था, स्मॉल रेड ट्रैप, और जिसमें 30 क्रोनर्स रखे हुए हैं. नॉट ओनली दिस, वन लेटर वॉज देयर. शी फाउंड ए लेटर. इट वॉज रिटन बाय रेड ट्रैप सेलर टू एडला विल्मनसन इन ए वेरी respectful manner, and he had written in this letter, honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long. उस लेटर में उसने अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड शो किया है, एंड ही शोड हिज थैंक्स. उसने लिखा कि जिस तरह से आपने मेरे प्रति दया दिखाई, एंड he did not want her to be embraced by a thief on that particular occasion, but act as a captain. उसने कहा आज इस ख़ास मौके पर, क्रिसमस के ख़ास मौके पर, आपको एक थीफ के द्वारा शर्मिंदगी नहीं उठानी पड़ेगी. He requested her to return the money to the old man on the road side. और उसने रिक्वेस्ट करी कि रोड साइड में एक ओल्ड मैन रहता है और जिसने एक मनी पाउच विंडो फ्रेम पर टांग रखा है, ऐसे पेट फॉर पुअर वंडरर लाइक अस. और उसमें मनी है, वो एक तरह से चारा है, अट्रैक्शन है गरीब लोगों के लिए जो भटकते हुए लोग हैं जैसे कि मैं. रेड ट्रैप इज ए क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट फ्रॉम ए रेड. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज मेटाफर. Then he said, this is a Christmas present. ये रेड ट्रैप एक क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट है एक रैट के द्वारा. और उसने कहा कि मैं इस दुनिया के जाल में फंस गया होता अगर आपने मुझे रास्ता नहीं दिखाया होता. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट शोन म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, कंपैशन, सो ही हैड बीन ट्रैप्ड इन दिस, caught in this world's rat trap. So in this way he made confession. उसने confession किया है, and the packet left by peddler as a Christmas gift, and he explained his conduct and his gratitude to Miss Wilmanson for treating him like a captain. So in the end he was a transformed person. He was totally changed person. Drastic change came overnight. रातों रात उसमें एक अचानक से परिवर्तन आया. In short, I would like to say the main essence of the story. As we all know that man is a social animal. He can't live all alone. In every field of life, he needs the help of someone or the other. There are few people who don't like to socialize with others. They stay away from their fellow beings. And they avoid the people. They are overpowered by negative feelings. This is a wrong notion of spending one's life as the life of a peddler. The peddler, he was lonely and always lost in his thoughts that the world is like a rat trap. He was always left to the meditation till he met the crofter, iron master and his daughter. The meeting with all these people taught him the need of human bonds. They insisted him to stay with them, spend some time, provided him the basic necessities of life. He was made to realize no one can live alone in this world. Feeling of love, human bonding is above all other feelings. One must have someone to share one's joys and sorrows. It gives him contentment, peace, mental satisfaction. Sharing a sorrow halves it, whereas sharing a joy doubles it. अगर हम किसी के साथ अपनी परेशानी को शेयर करते हैं वो आधी हो जाती है, और अगर हम किसी के साथ खुशी बांटते हैं तो वो खुशी डबल हो जाती है. So love, compassion and understanding can transform a person. They bring out basic human goodness in man. Life appeared to be sad and monotonous to the peddler. The world had never been very kind to him, but it was at last love, understanding brought the drastic change in him. Now he was the transformed character. The theme of human loneliness and need to have someone to share one's joys and sorrow run throughout the story. To begin with, the reader's attention is drawn to the peddler, who was lonely, and in his loneliness he used to make rat traps and lost in his own meditation. And next he met different people, and in the end meeting with Edla Wilmanson brought a drastic change in him and he was transformed person. So dear student, whole story revolves around the rat trap sailor, and I hope you can understand well. If any query you can ask, if any doubt, confusion, or you can ask me freely. Just keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.